Hey everyone, Sean from Hampton Marine Solutions here. Today we're going to talk about the Garmin GCV20 Sonar module. This is offered with a transducer or without. This variant is without a transducer, so let's get into it. When you open up the box, you're going to have a baggie of some cables. You're going to have some documentation, and then cardboard separating you to the unit. If you purchase the version with the transducer, of course, you'll have a transducer in the box as well too. The module itself is a nice sleek black box. In it you have a 3-port network hub. This comes in handy while trying to make a Garmin system. If you have, let's say, two 9-inch displays that only have a 1 sonar port on the back of them, you can go from each unit into here and they network all this sonar together. And then you still have room for if you wanted to do a radar or a third screen on the bow, if we're talking a bass boat or something like that. Then you have your 12-port sonar pin for side scan and clear view, and then you have a 2-pin power port. The module's very slender, fits almost anywhere. The cable that does come with this, the one cable that does come in the package, is a right angle network cable. Makes your installation very nice, as when this is mounted on a wall, it's facing straight down. Unfortunate power cable. As well as a right angle 2-pin power cable. Again, makes that installation very nice once it mounts against that wall. And you can find this product on our website as well by itself or with a GT34 transducer as a bundle. Get you a side view and clear view on a system that may not have a capable 7600 series. This will get you UHD sonar onto that. If you have an X3 series Garmin and you're using a through hole and need side scan as well, this would be the module to get to add side view and clear view to your Garmin system.